This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lisa Campbell. Rare find. This fantastic, well-maintained, end-unit, ranch-style, no steps, condo is being offered for the first time in over 20 years. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan, kitchen with beautiful oak cabinetry and all appliances to remain, living area with gas log fireplace and cathedral ceiling, low maintenance flooring, no carpet, master suite west / lots of natural light, private master bath with separate linen and walk-in closets, washer and dryer to convey, guest bedroom with access to full bathroom. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your morning coffee on the nice concrete back patio. 2-car garage, roof age equals 1 year, convenient to area shopping / restaurants and schools, minutes to I-75, downtown, and UT. Make this your new peaceful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Campbell at 865-687-1111.